Hello and welcome to this honest review of Rocket Clips. I've paid for this myself, and Rocket Clips allows you to convert your long form content into short form content. So Rocket Clips costs $39, and for that you get all this, but let's check it out and see if it's any good. So I've now logged into the Rocket Clips dashboard and I'm going to make a video and we're going to look at how good this is. So I click on this, create clip in one click. And I can either put in a URL or I can upload a file here. I'm going to put in a URL from YouTube for my video about EasyVSL 4. It goes off and it fetches it from YouTube. So I've got it on auto detect language, but I can pick my language as well. So I'm English, United Kingdom GB, but I'm going to just leave it on auto for now. It's got the title, so I can give it another title. I'm just going to have it as EasyVSL 4, and I can select the template I use for the captions. So I quite like this one. So I'm going to click this. And I can select which part of the video I want. So I could have the last 10 seconds or I could have the whole thing. So I'm actually going to want to have the whole thing, but actually because I'm making a short video, I want it to be under a minute. I'm going to go for the first 57 seconds. So what I do now is I click this and it's going to start working its magic. So there's all these things that Rocket Clips is going to do, and I'm going to come back once it's done. So that literally took a couple of seconds after I said I'm going to come back once it's done. And what it's done is it's created 3 clips on its own and it's given them a score for how good they're going to do on social media. So it selected specific viral clips within those 57 seconds. So I'm going to click on edit. I could just go and export it, but let's go and look at what we get with editing. So we've got the captions here. And if we wanted to, we could change them. So let's say I want to make this capital AI. I'm going to click edit and I want AI to be capital. And I'm going to click off so that registers. So that's a capital AI. Now, those are my captions and I'm just going to play it through so we can see the captions. This is EasyVSL. It's been updated in the times of AI. Okay, so we could see the captions down here. We can change our orientation if we want, but most people are going to be happy with portrait. Even though we've picked our captions template, we can go and change it, and we can go and change the alignment, the size, all these things, or the colors. We can go and change them. We can add in a progress bar. So if I add in here, we've got a progress bar at the top. We can put it in top, middle, or we can have it going around the whole video. We can also add in an audio wave. So we might want bars that go here. We can see we've got bars down here. Now, it's not particularly obvious that there are bars there, so I put them in the middle. So we can have audio bars if we want. I'm actually going to turn these off. I don't think they're that useful for what I'm doing. We can generate B-roll. I've clicked on it and it's generated some B-roll. Now that's quite good. So we can have the B-roll there. So we've got B-roll down here. So we can put B-roll in different places, and it's put B-roll in 2 places, which is interesting. And we can add some music to it if we want. So I'm going to add this as well. And we can also upload our MP3 files. So I'm going to save this and now I'm going to export it. So as it says here, we get an email once the video is ready. So I did indeed get my email. And if I click on the email, it takes me to this page. And you can see here, I can download the video. So I'm going to download this clip and you can see it next. This is EasyVSL. It's obviously been updated in the times of AI, but there's something that concerns me because there is a pay once, use forever. All the emails I've been sent about it have been about one-time fee, nothing else. So £22 per month is ridiculous, but there's no way to buy it on a one-time fee. So what do I think of Rocket Clips? Well, I don't think it's perfect. I think it is very good at what it does. If you are looking for a one-time fee software that creates little viral clips that are ready for YouTube Shorts or TikTok, then this is great. I personally would rather have a longer short rather than several viral clips, and I can't see a way to do that, unfortunately. I can't see a way within this software to say I want the first 57 seconds. The way I use shorts is I use them as adverts for my longer form content. So I just do the first 57, 59 seconds rather than break it up into clips. So while I don't think it works particularly well for me, and I would like to see the functionality of having the first X number of seconds, for someone who's got a long form video and they just want to break it up into clips automatically with very little hassle, then this is very good. And you only pay $39 for it. Thank you. Goodbye.